Hi guys, today is January 12. So, kikitain ulit namin sila Argel at saka sila Ate Chris. So, tingnan natin kung saan kami makakapunta. So, i-upload naman namin sa YouTube ito mamaya, baka mapanood niyo. See you sa inyo. Gabo. See the camera, Gab. Ngayon mainit pero malamig yung hangin, guys. Kaya magandang maglakad-lakad. What do you eat, Gab? Donut?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Joaquin. Hi, guwapo Joaquin.
Yeah. Oh,
Another day, another vlog, Joaquin.
Upload na naman sa YouTube. Dito kaya tayo, tingnan natin. Gab, dito.
Hi, Joaquin, guwapo.
Ayan.
Say hi. Hi.
Ay, Joaquin. Come here to Australia na. Dito sa Melbourne, Joaquin. Magpasyal tayo. Yan, oh.
Walking, Joaquin.
Parang pinakaunang mall dito eh. Yan, oh. Oh.
Joaquin.
Hi.
I love you, Joaquin.
Puro siya. Nagka-count, nakikita. Ay. Oo.
Yan, sa vlog.
Yan, oh. Ganda mga cake oh.
Natay mo yan ba yan?
Ha?
Natay mo na.
Ano?
Natay mo na.
Hindi pa.
Since 1892.
Yan, 1892 siya. Isipin mo, 1892. Yan, o. Teo, picture kayo dyan, te, sa gitna, o. Ganda, o.
Hi, Owe. Happy anniversary.
Yan, from North Carolina. Happy anniversary, Kuya Way. Diyan, Teo. Dito, Teo. Picture kayo dito, o. Para makita yung ano. Gab.
Vlog dyan.
Yeah. Yeah, what? What is in there? The pictures, oh.
Bubu.
We're here in Burke Street. H&M, yan. Tawid, Gab. Dito tayo sa gabi, Gab. Heading in Burke Street. Tayo, dito tayo.
Around the city.
Now we're here in Melbourne Museum. Dito tayo, Gab. Gab, here. Yan, picture na kayo dito. Yun, oh.
Shell Kawaki sa Melbourne Museum.
Yan, Joaquin, nandito kami sa Melbourne Museum. Si Auntie Claire, magpipicture. Yan, oh, oh. Yan, oh, big. Yan, picture kayo dyan, Teo.
Ang pasyal namin is alas 12 ng tanghali.
Yan, ang init. Yan dyan, Teo.
Design niya, no?
Yan.
Ano yung design niya? Parang bago, no?
Parang bago.
Is that a spear?
Yan. Favorite niya, no? Te, hi, te.
Hello.
Ano yun? Kala ko may taong ano, kala ko may taong nakasabit. Saan? Here? Where? Toilet? Gab? Guys, makikita nyo, oh, yan oh. Pinakamalaking puno na trinoso nila nung araw. Tama naman kung gaano ka ano yan, 600 years old na puno ito. North Queensland, Corey Pine. Yan. Ganito siya kalaki, 100 years. Ganito kalaki, 200 years. Ganyang kalaking guhit, 300 years. 400 years, 500, 600. Grabe, laki.
Forest Gallery. Tapos ang puno.
Where's the turtle? Up. Wow!
See beneath the stream and landscape.
Uy, uy,
We're entering the tunnel, Joaquin. It's so dark.
Woohoo! Gab, wait kami.
Wow.
Wow.
Crystal cavity.
Stalactite? Crystal cavity.
Grabe, dito libre lang to ah. Dahil dito, walang bayad.
Yung bayad dito. Dito na pupunta yung mga tax na binabayaran namin. Ang lalaking kumuha pero
Nice carrot.
Laki mo ba?
laki rin. Kaya nga,
Joaquin, there's a
Joaquin, there's a turtle.
It's going up.
Oh, see? There's a turtle and fish.
Ganun pala siya lumaki.
Lagi siya nandito eh, itong anak ko. Kasi sa mga school nila, lagi silang pumupunta dito.
Ah, dito?
Oo, kasi malapit lang yun eh. Parang field trip nila yan. Talagang allowed sila, gumagamit sila nito lagi. Kaya para silang nagpi-field trip lagi.
Oi, 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 stay inside.
Where?
Find a stick inside.
Dito?
They camouflage.
Find it. Hindi nyo makita, no? Yun, no?
Ikaw na.
Oh,
Saan? Saan?
they're
Ah, bala.
camouflage.
Kasi yung dito eh, no?
Alin?
Sa Australia.
Yung,
Ang daming museum.
oh. Ginano kasi nila talagang, parang ginagastusan talaga nila yan. Ano to? What is this, Gab?
Ah, the bones.
Bones from where?
Of a kangaroo,
Ga-
marsupial, lion.
I thought a
fursuit,
dinosaur.
kangaroo, whale. That.
Yeah.
This one.
Parang predator eh, no? Ito yung mga iba't ibang klaseng mga bato. Yan. Gaganda oh. Dito tayo, dito tayo. What is this inside, Gab? Ano to? This is our first time to come here. Okay. Uy! Slide. We're here inside the museum. Yan, punta natin ito mamaya, guys. Ano siya? Dinosaurs.
Where's ate?
Nandito, come here, dito. Dito tayo.
Mga ants pala to eh, oh.
Mga, ano yan? Ants? Ano yan?
Ngayon na ba wala?
Where are you? Come here. Oh, sit. Sarap, no? Relax, no?
Ganda. Swerte ng mga bata dito.
Hmm.
T-Rex. It's a T-Rex.
Guys, ito yung dinosaur na ano, kala namin fake. Yung pala totoo pala to. Tinanong namin. Grabe oh. Oh. Do not touch, di ba? Ilang years yan?
Oh, let's keep on going. Million years ago.
18 million years ago.
1.8 million years ago.
Megafauna. Tayo in Australia. Megafauna.
Come here. It's real.
Dinosaurs.
It's real. See?
Yeah, I know.
Feel the teeth.
Meron.
Hmm.
Feel the teeth.
Ah, ito siya dati.
Let me see. Te, tingnan mo te oh. 65 years ago.
Feel the teeth.
Ito bawal i-touch yan. Tunay talaga, no? Tunay, no? Guys, ito ha, tunay na dinosaurs to. Hindi ito yung simento lang ha. Napapansin nyo, grabe. Where's the egg? Hindi siya haka-haka lang.
If they hatch, what will happen? Yup.
Yung egg.
They got hatched.
Ito yung pinakamabili. What kind of dinosaur is this, Gab?
I don't know.
I think this one is the from see? Yeah. This one. Oh. See? Different kinds of crystals. Different kinds of crystal.
dark.
Glow in the dark. Ano, ay, ganda sa camera, oh. Oh, tinan mo, umiilaw lahat, oh. Oh.
Ano, ganda.
Amazing.
Rare and beautiful igneous minerals crystallize as the lava cools.
Where's Philip? Oh my
Ito
god.
guys, so makikita nyo yung mga bulalakaw, mga meteorites. What is that, Gab? Map?
Most meteorites are really small.
Where's Philippines?
Dude, they didn't put Philippines, bro.
But sometimes much larger.
Magalit. Yan. Sulit dito guys kasi mapag-aaralan mo talaga yung mga historic ano nila eh.
Papa, look.
That is the first, I think, the what do you call this one?
Slingshot.
Slingshot. Hmm. Hello, Joaquin. Dito kami sa school ni Gabi. Makikita na yung school ni Gab. Yan, oh. Oh. Yan ang school ni Gab. Dito si Kuya Argel, ayos Tito Argel. Hey. Gab, let's go, Gab. Yan. Carlton Garden. Established in 1875. 1875 yan eh. Hmm. Parang ano eh. Parang may multo eh.
Parang nakakatakot.
Yan o, mga ano lang sila oh, nakasalampak oh.
Parang iPad din. Kaso basa-basa lang talaga. Download mo lang.
Basa sila lang.
Hmm. Come here, Gab. Ito, pagka winter te, maganda to, nagiging dilaw yan lahat. Oo. Lahat dyan. Yep. Oo. Pag fall, ayan na ba yan? Yan, video ah. Tama na yan. Guys, punta kami dito sa sa Melbourne Parliament. So ito yung ano nila, building. Yan. Okay tayo.
May free tours pala.
Facing in the Melbourne CBD. So many. Oh, say hi. Joaquin. Batiin mo si Kuya Way sa sa North Carolina. Pati si
North Carolina.
in a Parliament House in Melbourne, Victoria. Argel. Hindi, naka-video kayo eh. You know, Ayan guys, no? Crystal pala yan totoo. Tapos yung mga nasa paligid is gold pala yung mga yan. Grabe yun.
To be honest, like with this gold down here, I was thinking like you, if it was me, I'd be looking at that and might scratch it off, thinking that would get me a bit of money. So if you and I have thought that, I guarantee you someone else has already thought that beforehand. So I think any gold you can reach has probably been scratched. Alright, welcome to our library. As I mentioned, it is a working library. It's available to members of Parliament and Parliament staff. It's not a public. Pretty cool. Another historical artifact is up above the doorway that we entered through, underneath the clock up there. So up above the doorway there is our original wooden mace. Our first ever. We have a lot of school groups in. Yeah, so Ellen and I work on the green side. So we help out. Yeah, so the front row behind the desk, go for it. We open and close doors, we fill water jugs, we distribute bills, so we kind of attendance through the whole house. Yeah.
Yeah, here you go. Yeah. Sit there. Come here. Sit over.